Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna review about this HUGO PRO rotary hammer drill. It is 520 watt and 20 millimeter hilt chuck, and then I bought this today. You can see here rated voltage 230 volt, frequency 50 Hz, rated input power 520 watt, no load speed 850 revolution per minute, max drilling diameter 20 millimeter, and power cable length is 2 meter. So in Sri Lanka, this is the sales service hotline, and this one has a 6-month warranty. And here we go for the see what's inside of this box. You can see a nice plastic package, so we can easily carry this into our site, and we can keep this very clean. First of all, the user manual, and there's a 2 carbon brush also. This is the user manual. And you can have 3 hilted drill bits for this drill from the HUGO company. Millimeter 8, millimeter 12, and millimeter 10. So there we go. This is the base. I got this for use to drill cement walls and bricks, not for the concrete. So you can see the depth measuring instrument, rotary hammer. You can see this. There's a reverse and forward switch. And that is all, nothing much in this box. Okay, thank you watching for my video, and if you already using a HUGO products, then let me a comment below, and if you have any questions you can ask from me. Okay then, bye bye.